Hello. Well, this is just a test, guys. This upcoming Monday, I will have an interview with a very successful musician, and it's a little bit windy here. In order to have better sound, I'm going to use this microphone for my own voice, and then I'm going to use my Tascam to put on her so that both voices are loud and clear. And I haven't used this in like 2 years, so just trying it out. See what see if it worked. I mean, this is wireless. It's not the greatest, but I should be able to walk away from the phone and then still you should be able to hear me. So here I am about, yeah, I'm way back here. Can you hear me? All right, let's see. I'm curious. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but if it's really simple, then we got this.